Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome, and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is the Glashütte Original Senator Excellence. A model launched back in 2016. It is a very conservative style with an extraordinary movement on the inside and universally wearable dimensions. So the watch in my hand measures in profile only 10.4 millimeters thick, 40 millimeters in diameter from lug tip to lug tip, 46.4 millimeters with a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. On the wrist, the watch wears beautifully and is narrow enough across the wrist that I could recommend this for a wrist as small as 14 centimeters circumference. I'm pulling it a bit tight and compressing my wrist, but with a fully broken-in strap, this would work fine on a 14-centimeter wrist. Mine is 16, and it'll sit easily underneath the cuff if you want to wear it with a formal shirt. We have a high-grade rectangular scale alligator leather strap. You can see black semi-gloss. There is some bolstering to give it volume. It has a profile that is very narrowly folded with a monotone stitch. You can see on the bottom, Glashütte Original factory strap, calfskin on the underside. Then we've got a matching company-branded steel pin buckle. The combination of media-blasted recesses and a polished face. The case band you can see is brushed. The lugs are stepped out, though it's not quite the dramatic notch lug of a longa case. We have a little bit of a soft bevel on the flank of each lug, and then a bit of an inflection or a inward domed profile to the polished bezel. Glashütte Original branded crown. The dial has a lovely silver varnish with a grained finish. When you get very close, and I mean very, very close, and you start looking at all of these calibrations, you realize that they are evacuations on the dial that have been filled with black ink or black varnish. The dial itself is a silver white varnish, and you can see we have lovely hands at center, including a Lancet-style logo counterweighted seconds hand. And how much do you love that the hands actually reach where they're supposed to go? Some aesthetic sense was applied here. The hour hand is just slightly inboard of the hour, which is a good look, and then the minute hand and the seconds hand extend all the way to their tracks. You can also see it features hacking seconds, so that cat's out of the bag. And of course, this is Germany's oldest continuously operating large-scale watch manufacturer, dating back to 1845. Among the companies collectivized into the GUB during the communist era in East Germany was a Lange & Söhne, and Glashütte Original, a Lange & Söhne. Many other brands were collectivized into the Glashutte Betriebe, which is the Glashutte watch factory. And so this company emerged out of that collective to become Glashütte Original, which means it is also the linear successor to the original Lange & Söhne. It is one lineage. So the new Lange is a revival brand. If you want to trace the history back to 1845 and F.A. Lange, it is this watch and this company. Now turn it all over, and by the way, take a look at the inner bezel. You can see it's nicely brushed to give a soft reflection onto the dial side. We have caliber 3601, so this was the first Glashütte Original movement to use a anti-magnetic silicone hairspring. It also effectively has a free sprung balance. You can see there is a swan's neck, but almost all the timing adjustments are done using the variable inertia screws on the balance. It's 4 Hertz, automatic winding, 100-hour power reserve, 6 positions to German chronometer standard, and the 6-position adjustment is one more than a standard COSC or ISO 3159, so that actually goes above and beyond. Decoration is handsome. You can see we've got solarization on the ratchet wheel as well as on some of the intermediate wheels, the winding system. We have stripes on the rotor as well as on the bridges. We have snailing on the outer edges of the bridges. We do have a respectable bevel. Engine turning on the base plate. We have both blued and polished screws. And then there's that lovely solarized reduction wheel for the winding system, which I always adore. We have a polished swan's neck fine adjustment system, which can be used for very, very fine corrections. And then all of this is water resistant down to 50 meters, which with a push-down crown doesn't mean you can swim with it, but it's more security than you have with a standard 30-meter dress watch. If you love this watch and its 100-hour power reserve, silicone hairspring, authentic history, and conservative style, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.